I want to believe that we are up in the market, and that's why project like ZORA is currently surging high in price. ZORA is a base network crypto, and it's kind of weird seeing it fly this high. But well, we are going to check it out to know if this ZORA project is a good crypto or if it's just a project that pumps during the bull run and then dies in the bear market. Well, for those that don't know, ZORA is an on-chain social network that transforms the way creators earn. Instead of just likes and followers, users can monetize their content directly through tokenized posts and creator coins, all powered by its native cryptocurrency, ZORA. It's where Web3 meets social media, giving creators true ownership and real value for their work. Why is this token currently seeing a pump and surge? Looking at the news articles, there's a lot about Coinbase rebranding their wallet to the Base app on July 16, 2025. That seems to have happened a bit over a week ago, but the effects might still be relevant. Some articles mention that after the rebrand, ZORA's activity surged. Daily token mints went from 4,000 to over 15,000, peaking at 38,000 on July 24th. Also, daily trades increased from 30,000 to over 150,000, and trading volume jumped from $1 million to over $6 million a day. Well, the Coinbase rebrand was on July 16th, so the main surge happened over a week, but maybe there's continued momentum. Another key point is Binance Futures launching 50x leverage for ZORA on July 25th. That's 2 days before the current date. High leverage can increase trading volume and volatility. The articles mention that such listings often lead to short-term volume surges and price rallies, so the Binance listing might have contributed to the recent price movement. Another news mentions that after the Base app integration, there was a surge in creators and activity, which could still be driving interest. Also, the launch of high-leverage contracts on Binance and KuCoin could be attracting more traders, leading to increased buying. Putting it all together, the main drivers right now seem to be Binance Futures launching leverage trading and the ongoing hype from the Base app integration. On top of that, we're seeing a big spike in trading volume, lots of buzz on social media, and overall growth in the SocialFi space. Technically, the charts look strong and bullish, but there are some signs things might be overheated. Plus, the market is in a greed phase and the altcoin season index is up, which usually means investors are more willing to take risks. All these pieces are adding fuel to the fire. This right here should tell you that it's a good investment. Now, let's talk about ZORA in detail. ZORA Network, a Layer 2 solution for NFTs backed by Coinbase Ventures, is set to launch its ZORA token on April 23, 2025. The platform will distribute 10% of its total token supply to early users through an airdrop. This launch comes after the platform recently raised $60 million in funding and follows a week of viral promotions that have sparked both excitement and controversy. The airdrop will distribute 1 billion ZORA tokens from the total supply of 10 billion. According to the tokenomics breakdown, 20% is allocated to community incentives, 20% to the treasury, 18.9% to the team, 26.1% to strategic contributors, and 5% is reserved for liquidity. Snapshots for the airdrop were taken in 2 phases. The first phase covered user activity from January 1, 2020 to March 3, 2025. The second phase captured activity from March 3, 2025 to April 20, 2025. These snapshots record blockchain states at specific times to determine user eligibility for token rewards. Binance has officially announced it will list ZORA on April 23 via Binance Alpha. The exchange also plans to offer an additional airdrop of 4,276 ZORA tokens to users who purchased at least $50 on Alpha between March 22 and April 20, 2025. While Coinbase has not yet made an official announcement, many expect the exchange to list ZORA soon, given its backing of the project through Coinbase Ventures. Pre-market trading suggests a price between 2 cents and 3 cents per token. At this price, the airdrop would be worth approximately $30 million. ZORA Network has shown strong on-chain activity, with over 87 million transactions processed and about 37,000 active addresses per day. The platform reports over 6 million active addresses and nearly 3.5 million contracts deployed in total.